Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ajeng Wulan Anjani. My student's number is 192-192-034. In this occasion, I would like to explain about how to optimize using Google search to be maximum effective and efficient. Alright, for the first is use quotation marks. You can see the symbol like in the PowerPoint. For example, you want to search for web server load balancing. After that, the first thing that you have to do is go to Google. Then type what you are looking for example, about the previous one. And don't forget to use quotation marks at the beginning and at the end of the letter. Then click enter. After that, the search there will be pure about what we need or what we are looking for. So the search will be more optimal if you use quotation marks. To understand better, you can see an example like this. Alright, for the second one is use hypeness. You can see the symbol of the PowerPoint. The meaning of it is to include words. For example, you will search for the word symbiotic mutualism. Then, after the word symbiosis, you have to use a hyphen as you can see in the example letter. After that, you enter it. Then, what appears in the search engine is only a symbiotic words without a mutualism word. To understand better, you can see an example like this. Alright, for the third one is use columns. We can use a column and you can see the symbol of column in the PowerPoint. The meaning of it is to find what we need but only on one particular site. For example, you want to find the title of the thesis on the Google Scholar site. Then you can search for it as you can see in the following example. Alright, the next is use an asterisk. We can use an asterisk. You can see how the symbol is in the PowerPoint. The point or the purpose is to find sentences with some missing words. For example, you want to find the lyrics of a song, but you forget the title of the song. Then the step you have to do is type the words you remember. For example, the word nothing. Then, because you forgot what the next word was and only remember another word, you use the asterisk in another word than you remember. For example, the word my love. Then you enter and Google will give suggestions according to what lyrics you are looking for. For more details, you can see an example like this. And for the next is search multiple search topics at once. If you want to search for several topics at once or in the same time, then the things you have to do is add the words or between the topics. For example, you want to find a topic about the theory that the Earth is around and a topic about nebula theory. After that, we only need to add the word or between both topics. Then what will appear in Google is about these topics. For better understanding, you can see the following example. Alright, for the next is search the range number. We will look for a range of number. For example, if you want to find the winner of the 2021 AMAS, you just need to type a colon after the sentence. Then the information that will appear there is about what we are looking for. For example, you can see as the follows. For the next is search for simple things. For example, we are in abroad and we don't know where the nearest Moscow is. Then we can type the nearest Moscow in the search engine or in the Google. After that, the search engine or the Google will provide information related to the nearest Moscow. Even the route is notified by the Google. For more details, you can see in the following example. Alright, for the next is looking for similar sites. So how to find similar sites? We can use the word related before the keywords we are looking for. It will appear related information that has similarities with the keyword that we type. For example, you can see in the following example. For the next is about use keywords to search for something. For example, like the previous one. The Nurse Moscow. Then we simply type Nurse Moscow in the search engine or in the Google. That information will appear that match our keyword. For more details, you can see in the following example. And for the next is use professional or formal words when looking for something on Google. We must use professional or formal words because usually Google only provides professional or formal words. For For example, if you have a headache, then the keyword you should look for in the Google is not my head is hurt, but headache reliever. For example, you can see in the following. For the next is Google can convert something easily. Through Google, we can convert anything easily. For example, you want to know about $1 yen. If it is converted to rupiah, how much will it be? We can directly type the sentence $1 or 1,000 yen to IDR or to rupiah. Then, when we clicked, the right information immediately appears. For example, you can see in the following. For the next is Google can correct the word sentence when we type it with the wrong spelling. For example, we just look for something with a spelling like this, never give, after that P letter. Then Google will automatically correct spelling to become the right sentence. Become never give up. For example, you can see in the following. And for the next is how to search files specifically. There is a way to search for specific files. For example, we want to search for novels of the Earth, but in PDF form. Then the right way to do is to type keywords with the word file type, and after that colon and PDF edit. After that, Google will provide information related to the novel of Earth in PDF form. For example, you can see in the following. And the next is use Google search to do math questions. This is the last. There is a way to do math questions via Google. For example, you want to find the result of this, and then you just type the number, then click enter. After that, Google will tell you the result. For more details, you can see the following example. Alright, that is how to use Google optimally, effectively, and efficiently. By using the 14 formulas that have been described earlier, I hope it can help you in using Google as well as possible. That is all from me. Thank you for your watching this video. Hopefully it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.